Well, as you know, my house has been under construction for what seems like forever. And I have been very patient, because you have to be in life, you have to be patient. But anyway, the shower is in, but it's not tiled. And we've been without a shower now for almost a week. And I went to the gym to shower, and Curtis and Alexis have been using this makeshift system they made out in the garage, and today he wanted a shower. So he says, "Mom, it's okay, right?" And I said, "Yes." He's coming later to tile, but he said it dries quick. This was about, I don't know, 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. Well, it's like 8 now, and it's not dry yet. So I don't know what the contractor's idea of dry is, because it's certainly not the same as mine. So I hope this need for the shower doesn't set us back much more time, because we're going on 3 months now and I'm just over it. I want my house to be done and I want my peace back. So having your life in utter chaos for this long is A, ridiculous, and 2, I'm over it. What happens in your life when projects take way longer than anticipated? Do you maintain your peace, or do you stress over it? This is Lisa, your stylist, with a piece of me moment. Have a peaceful day.